Yes.
Sa House of Representatives, there was a call from the Vice President who would apologize. A big apology daw po from you to the President about
What?
leading the meeting.
What sin have I done in order for me to seek an apology? Please tell me, anong kasalanan ko para ako maghingi ng apology? Kasalanan ko ba kung nailagay yung pangalan niya doon sa report na yon? Was that my fault? I don't think so. Mas malaki ang kasalanan ko siguro sa Pangulo kung being chairman of Public Order and Dangerous Drugs. Wala akong ginagawa dyan sa mga informasyon na yan na hanggang lumaki, hindi ko inaksyonan. Mas lalo siguro kung may kasalanan sa taong bayan, kung hinahayaan ko yan, na yung mga security classified documents ay palagi na lang nangyayari, merong ganun, o hindi natin imbestigahan. So, I don't see any offense. Bahala na, kung sila, tingin nila, may kasalanan ako, then sorry. Kung may kasalanan ako, but for me, to seek for an apology, to ask for an apology, to give my apologies, wala man siguro akong naggawang kasalanan. Oh.
Former SPC, biktima din daw po siya ng mga Marcos and Duterte. Kaya po siya natanong. Biktima daw po siya ng brief of the Marcos and